Hey y'all, I'm Lauren Kozar, account manager with IP Truck and Equipment. We are Isuzu's oldest dealer in the state of Texas with 3 locations serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, including Louisville, McKinney, and today we're here in Fort Worth to show you the 2024 Isuzu NPR HD. Now this truck has a 14.5 gross vehicle weight rating to handle all of your Class 4 demands. It comes with a 6.6 liter gas engine and paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now this comes with a 3-year and 36,000 mile warranty. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of the truck. The first thing you'll notice is self-cleaning concealed steps on each side to get rid of dirt as you get inside, as well as grab handles for ease of entry and exit. This is a crew cab, so it can seat up to 7. In the front, you have 3 across seating, a captain's chair, and double-sided passenger seat. And the middle seat actually folds down for a space your workers can eat lunch or do paperwork at a stop. In the back, you have a 4 across bench as well. Up front, you have plenty of space for storage inside the cab, including overhead storage bins, storage behind the driver's seat back pocket, and storage up front in the dash. In front of you is your tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and next to that is your 7-inch color touchscreen display. It has AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, auxiliary input, USB port, and it comes with Apple CarPlay, and here's where you'll actually see your backup camera as well. It does come with power door locks and windows, and you do have remote and heated mirrors on this truck. Your controls are going to be up here by your driver's side storage. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck. Now, on this side, we'll take a look underneath. You'll notice that IP Truck installs cat cages for your catalytic converters to help protect your investments. The other thing you'll notice is going to be the 16-foot-long Morgan Vanscaper body with split dovetail ramps in the back, and we have one down here to show you what it would be like loading and unloading your equipment. It does have a mesh pattern along it to help get rid of some of that dirt as you're getting up inside the box. This is going to have a rear roll-up door, and you'll notice that this box is 16 foot long, 86 inches wide, and 96 inches high. So plenty of space for you to store all of your equipment. It is fully plywood lined walls, and if you're looking to install some shelves, we can do that in our body shop at our Fort Worth location. There is an aluminum roof with a dome light, so if you're ever working in the morning or at night, this is going to help increase your visibility. Another thing you'll notice is going to be ventilation on the front of the box as well as your rear roll-up door, and that's going to help increase your ventilation for your gas-powered equipment inside of your body. On the back, you'll also notice at the top is your rear backup camera as well. Now, you'll notice that this truck comes with a blank white aluminum body, and you do have the option to wrap your cab and your body to make your truck become a rolling billboard. So this is actually going to turn your truck, your gas money, into your advertisement money. Now, this truck is going to be perfect for all of your landscaping companies, so if you have any questions, make sure to call the number below on your screen, and make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of IP's new inventory that we get daily. We look forward to being a partner for your fleet needs.